nirvana of a Concours project right here is this toolkit. Bugeye 501 has the original correct 1958 toolkit. Yes, this is it. Rare to find all these pieces intact, and this is the correct stuff. So let me move you out of the sun if I can. But these are the pieces that are key. Everything that we're doing for this Concours car, there it is, Concours car, 501, first Bugeye. Everything has to be correct and in correct, excellent condition. So for example, you need your Calumet grease gun, ready to go. Grease those fittings. That's number one. Then you need your screwdriver. This is for screwing things and also for leverage on this spark plug spanner, which was part of the kit. So this would give you a handle for this socket. That's got to be there. This is the lug nut wrench. Not a lot of leverage, but 38 pounds on your lug nuts. You don't need a big bar, so that's what they gave you. Then this is the Sutty, made in England Sutty tire pump. Got to have that logo right there. Whoops, that's a half point off. Anyway, the wood handle, original pump, ready to go. This is the original jack. These came in black or red. And then it has this ratcheting handle, which was made by King Dick, made in England. And these, British made, King Dick, this is to lower and the other side to raise. So you would turn this over and it would ratchet on the top of this jack. On the nut, just if you're out there watching, we don't recommend using these. Hang on a minute while I try to balance it with one hand. We don't recommend using these on your Bugeye. People tend to really damage the rocker panel receptacle where this plugs in. So it does work, but it's not exactly the best way to jack up your Bugeye because it's a high liability. However, for a Concours project, you need to have this. So that is the correct original jack for Bugeyes. Now, of course, this is a 58 specific kit. There were some changes to this toolkit further down the line, but for the first car, this is the right stuff. This is the valve stem core removal tool. We sell these in our Bugeye Guy parts catalog if you want one of those. Those are hard to find. And then this is kind of cool. This is the tappet gap feeler gauge 015 on the top, and then on the other side 025 spark plug. So this one being the spark plug, and this other one on the top of this side is for the valve tappets. So should you decide you want to adjust your valves on the side of the road, they gave you that. Who would have thought? This is a points screwdriver so that you can lever your points in or out. And also, I believe it's 015, although it's not marked, is the proper points gap. So you have that feeler gauge and this nifty tool so that while you were out there greasing your car, setting your valves, removing and cleaning your spark plugs, pumping up the tires that were a little bit low, boy, you were well equipped with your frog eye. But that's how they did it. This is the correct original toolkit. Imagine how we have changed in just 60 years. We no longer carry a bicycle pump, a bad bicycle pump with us at that. But in any event, Concours correct and beautiful. Here also is the correct tool pouch. Ooh, now that's a rare item with the correct plastic straps. All going into car 501 where it belongs. Correct, accurate, maximum Concours points for our gold medal quest, and all here at Bugeye Guys. Thank you for watching.